Once upon a time, in a quiet little town near the mountains, lived a girl named Lena. She lived with her mother, her older sister, and her grandmother. Her grandmother was known in the town as a kind and wise woman. Whenever someone had a problem, they would come to her for guidance. But Lena had one serious weakness. She was always procrastinating. Whenever there was homework to finish, she would say, "I'll do it later." If her mom asked her to help with chores, Lena would answer, "I'll help after a while." And just like that, her responsibilities kept piling up. Days turned into weeks, and Lena was constantly behind. Her classmates moved ahead, while Lena kept falling back. Her mom tried to correct her, her sister advised her, but nothing seemed to work. Finally, her grandmother decided to step in. She thought to herself, "How can I teach Lena the importance of time without scolding her?" That night, she came up with a plan. The next morning, Grandma called Lena and handed her a small wooden box. Inside the box was a shiny silver key. She said, "Lena, this is no ordinary key. It has magical power. Somewhere in our backyard, there's a treasure chest buried. If you use this key on that chest, it will open and grant you wealth beyond your imagination. But remember this, key will lose its power at sunset tomorrow. After that, it will become just a piece of metal." Lena's eyes sparkled with excitement. A real treasure. With this, I can be rich forever, she thought. She immediately started imagining the things she would buy: beautiful clothes, books, toys, even gifts for her family. But instead of searching right away, she said, "There's still plenty of time. I'll begin tomorrow morning. Tonight, I'll relax and think about what I'll do with the treasure." So she went to bed, dreaming of her golden future. The next morning arrived. The sun was shining, the air was fresh, and Lena thought, "I'll eat breakfast first, then I'll start digging." After breakfast, she felt sleepy and said, "Let me rest for just a few minutes." Minutes turned into hours. By the time she woke up, the afternoon sun was already sinking. She panicked and rushed outside with the key. She grabbed a shovel and began to dig randomly in the backyard. But before she could find anything, the sky turned orange. Grandma walked out and said gently, "Lena, your time is up. Give me back the key." Lena's heart sank. She begged, "Please, Grandma, just one more hour. I'll find the treasure this time, I promise." But Grandma shook her head and replied, "My dear child, life doesn't give us extra time. You had a full day, yet you wasted it on sleeping and waiting. Opportunities are like this key. Once the time passes, they lose their magic." Lena lowered her head in shame. She realized she had lost a chance to change her life because of her laziness. From that day onward, she promised herself never to delay important things again. She began doing her homework on time, helping her mother without waiting to be asked, and making small schedules for her day. Slowly, she started to feel proud of herself, and others noticed the change too. She discovered that finishing tasks quickly gave her more time to enjoy the things she loved. She could play with her sister, read her favorite stories, and still feel relaxed because her responsibilities were done. That joy was far greater than the treasure she had imagined. In Lena's case, she had more than 24 hours to complete a simple task: digging in the backyard. Something that would have taken less than an hour was never done because she kept saying, "Later, later, tomorrow." Isn't this exactly what happens in our own lives? We postpone our dreams, our work, our health, even our happiness, thinking we'll get to it later. But sometimes, later never comes. Time is the most precious gift we have. If you respect time, time will reward you. If you waste it, you'll regret it. That's why it's important to set deadlines for yourself, even if they're small. Tell yourself, "I'll just start for 2 minutes." You'll be surprised. Those 2 minutes often grow into hours of progress. Even the smallest step forward is better than endless waiting. So remember, don't wait for tomorrow. Start now, because the magic key to success is hidden in the present moment. If you feel this story has inspired you, share it with your friends and family, so they too can value their time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories. Until we meet again, stay focused, stay grateful, and keep moving forward in life.